Yo, welcome back, guys. I'm back with another video, and today I'm telling you guys how to make points fast on fetch rewards. But I'm going to also answer a lot of questions that you guys have been asking a lot. And one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, how do you use the code? So usually I'll put like a link in my description or my comments, but sometimes I feel like they get taken down because when I go back they're not there anymore. So after a while they get taken down, but usually if you're watching this, it's gonna be in my description. It's gonna be like a link, and you have to download the app using the link, or else the code, like, you can't, there's no other way to use the code. So that's the only way you can use a code, is to download something using the link, and you have to download the app. So yeah, that's really how you can use someone's code. All right, so I'm gonna get to the video. Also, I'm not using my account this time. I'm using a brand new account with 0 points, and I'm actually gonna skyrocket this to a lot of points so you guys can see that I can just get more than one account to get a lot of points, which my other one right now has like 5 million. If you guys don't believe me, you can go look at my last video. I think the last video has like 3 million, but that was a long time ago. But now I have like 5 million. So I'm gonna get this account to a lot of points too, and you guys are gonna see. So I'm gonna get to the video. So basically, what you wanna do to get a lot of points is refer a friend. You want to refer a friend. It's right here. If you go to the me on the bottom right, it's gonna show you this page, right? And it's gonna say refer a friend. It says below that, it says you both get points when they join. So you wanna refer a friend. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm using the link so you guys can sign up and get points for yourself, and I can get points back. So it's like a win for both of us. So if you want to make points already fast, you can just use my link and download the app. And I think you get more points, because if you just download the app and sign up, you're not going to get nothing. But if you use my code and sign up, you're going to get like, I think $4, $3 or $4, something like that. So I'm going to show you right here. Okay, so you see it says refer a friend, and there's a code right there, but you can't put a code anywhere. Okay, so if you guys are in the comments writing the code down and commenting it, and you see like nobody's using it, it's because you can't use it. There's no way someone can just use a code like that. You have to put a link for someone to use it, right? So my link is gonna be in the description, and it says every friend you refer, your friend also gets 2,000 points, and I also get two. So you get $2 if you use my code, and I also get $2. But if you use my code in the link, so the link, right, and you download the app, you get 2,000 points. And if you scan a receipt, so the receipt can be like anyone's. That you could ask your parents, or if you have one of yours, you can just use it. Like, you can just take a picture of it, and you're gonna get $2 more. So basically you get $4 if you use my link, and I get $2, right? So you get more money. So you get double the money I get. So yeah, so if you use the link, you can actually get like $4 starting off. And after that, what you want to do is you just want to keep referring others. You could refer anyone. It doesn't have to be like just someone you know. All right, because it really takes like 2 minutes to like use the link, make an account, and like sign in. And that's like easy $4. So I'm gonna show you guys how to scan a receipt right now. You want to go back to Discover right here, and you see how this says this right here, a camera on the bottom right. You want to click that. You want to say allow, and it's just gonna be like this, right? So I have it off right now, but yeah. And then you want to take a picture of the receipt, and you're actually gonna get points. But you know, scanning receipts, you don't get a lot of points. You know, it's not a lot, but if you want to just get more points, you could do this too. Like, you could also refer friends, and you could also scan receipts. I never scan receipts. All I do is refer others, and that's what I'm doing right now, because I'm basically helping you guys out, right? So if you get $4 and I get $2 per person, you're basically taking the win right here. And so I'm gonna answer some other questions, since I'm basically done with the how to make money on Fetch Rewards. But so some other questions were like, let's see, how do you not get? So I don't get banned because. So you only get banned if you scan a lot of receipts. That's the only reason you get. If people are using your code too fast, you don't get banned, okay? So right here, I don't have anybody who used it yet. But if any of you guys want to use it, it's in the link. Click it, download it, and sign up, and take a picture of the receipt, all right? It's that easy. It's like $4 or $5 in like 5 minutes. It's pretty easy. And then you can also, this is another like a hack or whatever. You can like go to your mom's or dad's or your sister or your brother phone, and you can literally send them the link, and you could download it, sign up from their phone, and scan a receipt. So if you, let's say you have 4 other family members, right? So you have a mom, you have a dad, you have a sister, and you have a brother. From all of their 4 phones, that's $12, and plus if you use my link, and so that's $16 just in like what, 20 minutes, I would say. So yeah, that's really how you can make money fast. And if you have any more questions, just comment them down. I'll make sure to go over them in the next